Vaishali, I'm from Siliguri. I have flat foot from very beginning.
Flat foot deformity is a very common deformity in the Indian population. Almost 2 out of 5 people will have a flat foot deformity. If you are flat footed, it leads to severe alignment issues in your lower body. You will end up having foot pain, knee pain, back pain, and even in advanced cases, you may have hip pain. Orthotics are the mainstay for managing flat foot deformities. So if you are flat footed, please go and see your nearest foot doctor in a foot clinic. Get your orthotics done so that you can prevent a more severe problem later on in your life.
After using this sole for a couple of months, for 3-4 months, I'm highly benefited. I have my foot doesn't get swell up, or I can stand for a longer period of time. I can walk down a lot.